Hello Alan, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2018 GSX R750. I have two colors. This is the racing cool blue, they call it. There is a promotion right now. That's the price. There is a $500 rebate already included in this price after freight and PDI. And plus from Suzuki you will get the $500 prepaid gas card. And this motorcycle comes with 5 years warranty as every road legal Suzuki's. The other one over here is 2018 as well. However, I think they forgot to put the rebate. It should be the same price as the other one. So it will be the same, and the same $500 gas card is included. This is black with red. It's a dark red. I would say it's burgundy, with the same matching rims as well. So Brembo brakes, same 5 years warranty. I have both bikes here available and ready to go. The 1 year no payment is available as well. You gotta apply first to see if you qualify for this approval, and then we go from there. If you have any questions regarding this or any other motorcycles we have for sale, please call back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.